Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. Without further ado, let's get to today's project. It's a green one. Green it is. So, over the last week or so, we've been pondering the idea of putting this astro-turf down and what was the best way to do it. Nearly everyone said put stakes down. Okay. We have 60 mile an hour, sometimes 80 mile an hour gusts out here. Stakes do not work. So on our original patio on the RV, we had a carpet and we had cinder blocks that held it down. It would still pull the cinder blocks and move the carpet. So I came up with the idea to dig a trench all the way around, 1.5 to 2 feet deep. So we got this roll of 18 by 12 foot carpet. So it had about 2 feet extra on this side, 2 feet on that side, and 2 feet on this side. So we dug that trench, threw the excess carpet down in the trench, backfilled it with rocks, and then covered it with dirt, sprayed it with the hose, and then used the compactor, not that one, this one. Thanks to our friend Pete for letting us borrow that. I don't think he remembers that we still have it, so we need to get that back to him. But there's no way this is coming out now. It's got thousands of pounds of dirt and rocks holding it down on 3 sides, and then this side is cut and tucked underneath into the rocks, and no wind can get under there anyhow. Get a wide angle shot. That way Rich will have a nice comfortable area to hang out. He could take his shoes off if he wants to. It's dirty right now, but we'll hose it off later. And it looks like Mother Nature is going to do that for me in the next couple hours. It's hard to say if it's coming towards us or moving away. The wind is blowing towards me, so we'll see what happens. But there we go. The edges are not going to be perfectly straight too on this. The ground is so hard and full of rocks, it's nearly impossible to do that. So we got the ground saturated and packed it down good so that there's no lip. This is flat. The transition here is flat, so there's no lip on it on any of the sides, except for maybe right here. We'll put a little bit of dirt in there and that edge right there. So we'll just get some loose dirt later and pack that in there. This side there's a nice transition. Maybe right here we could put some more dirt, but over here where Rich would be walking from his car out and through here, so we'll smooth this out a little bit more for him. He gets around pretty good, so there we go. Another upgrade for Rich's RV. And then he can put his cactuses over here if he wishes, or table or barbecue or whatever he wants to do. He's got all kinds of options. So it's a pretty good size area. Let's see, it's probably 10 by 15 foot. So it's 10 feet from this edge to that edge, and then about 15 feet from here to there. So got plenty of room. This will be nice. And we got most of the rocks out from under it, and I also ran over it with the compactor. There's a couple of lumpy spots like right here, but I don't think that'll matter. It's not sharp, and you're not going to trip over it. So there you go. I'll make this video short and sweet, so thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down below, give us a thumbs up, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long. A little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace. Pray for some of that rain. Come on, baby.